Thanks for being here. I'm photographer Vanessa Joy, and this is something crazy that in the past 20 years I've been doing this. Honestly, I wish I had. You may or may not have heard of FilterPixel. FilterPixel is an artificial intelligence AI program that helps you cull your images from any given shoot in seconds. Now, I don't know about you, but if you are a wedding or a portrait photographer, you know the grueling process that culling is, and it just takes hours, and your eyes are bleeding from staring at the screen for so much, and you wonder why you became a photographer if you spend all of your time holding a mouse instead of holding your camera. Well, FilterPixel solves this problem. Using artificial intelligence that learns along with you and your preferences, it will cull jobs for you, literally, while you sleep. So no more trying to figure out which photo is exactly in focus, and no more trying to find that group shot where everyone's eyes are magically open and missing the ones where there's some cousin decided to shut their eyes or look the other way or whatever it is that they're doing. FilterPixel is going to do all of that painful work for you in a record amount of time. It's pretty intuitive and pretty easy to use. In fact, when you sign up, they're going to start sending you educational emails that will help you get used to the software very, very quickly, which is something that I really appreciate. I don't like a big learning curve. I just want to buy something that I want to use and start using it right away. And FilterPixel makes it pretty easy for you to do that. So how does it work? First, you import all of your raw images into FilterPixel. All of your out of focus and blink photos are automatically tagged as rejects. But don't worry, they're not deleted. They don't necessarily go away. You can always go back and look. Then you're going to click the auto select program. All of these similar photos are going to be grouped together, and then that auto select will pick the best one out of that similar set of photos. Then you click export and take all of those selected favorite photos into Capture One, Lightroom, or out into your hard drive. Use AI filters to your advantage to quickly go through photos of people kissing, dancing, hugging, and babies identified by AI. Powered by super fast cloud infrastructure and trusted by thousands of photographers around the globe, FilterPixel is saving more than 50% of those photographers' time in culling. Now, there are a lot of other features that I didn't go over yet in this short video, so make sure you take a look at the different options they have for the plan for this software. That also includes things like auto culling unlimited amount of photos, auto selecting the best photos, auto grouping. There's even an AI slider to narrow down to the sharpest picture. You can auto tag blurry photos, auto tag closed eyes and blinks, review key faces from a shoot, and of course, even faster with the AI score. And if you ever get stuck, in addition to the education that I mentioned, they automatically email you. You of course have email and phone support as well. If you are currently culling your own photos, something like this seems like a no-brainer. Honestly, even if you are sending your photos out to get edited, I know a lot of photographers don't like other people culling their photos, but also find that task really tedious and burdensome. Instead, use FilterPixel and do the culling yourself, but in half the amount of time, and then edit your photos however you want to edit them. You can send them to editors like Freedom Edits like I do, or of course import right into Capture One in Lightroom, or just off to a hard drive. I have a special link for you, of course, to check out FilterPixel, so make sure you click on that. Get me my brownie points. Yes, it is an affiliate link. I know, I have to feed my baby somehow. I don't know what you want from me, but they really are a fantastic program to take a look at. If nothing else, you should be taking a look at things like this just to keep up with all of the photography technology that is available and coming out in the recent years. What do you think about FilterPixel? What do you think about this artificial intelligence stuff anyway, and having to do with photographers? I mean, ultimately, are we going to end up being replaced as photographers by artificial intelligence? I mean, I know I've seen cameras that are basically can record videos on their own, like on gimbal and moving around and doing the things that us photographers have honed in our craft to learn how to do. Is this just a step to eliminating photographers, or at this point, photo editors? I don't know. You tell me what you think about this. Do you think this will be helpful in your business? Do you think it will speed things up? I mean, it has to speed things up. How could it not speed things up? And ultimately, I think if you use something like FilterPixel, It's going to save you time, and you can spend more of your time doing the thing that makes you money, taking pictures, not sitting behind your computer. My name is Vanessa Joy. I'm a Canon Explorer of Light. Make sure you hit subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you next time.